Alright, so today we're going to do the opposite of what we did last time. So last time we did adding linear expressions. There were two ways to do that. You could stack them, or you could drop parentheses and combine like terms that way. Today we're going to do subtracting linear expressions. So just when we were subtracting integers, we're going to KCO. This time, instead of just the first number, you're going to keep the whole entire first expression. Then you're going to change the minus sign to a plus sign. And then you're going to do the opposite of everything in the second expression, which means if the 2x is positive, you're going to make it negative. And if 2 is negative, you're going to make it positive. Okay? So now, that is the first step. I want to keep the first expression. So that is 6x minus 3. Next step, I'm going to change the minus sign to a plus sign. And then this last step, I'm going to do the opposite of everything in the second expression. So if this 2x is positive, I'm going to make it negative. And this is minus 2, so I'm going to do plus 2. Now, our expression has gone from a subtracting expression to us adding expressions. Then we're going to do the same thing that we did last time. So the only thing we're doing different today is changing this subtracting expression to a addition. Okay? So then I'm only going to do one way. So I'm going to stack them, so that's 6x minus 3 plus negative 2x plus 2. Then I have 6x plus negative 2x, that gives me 4x. And then negative 3 plus 2, that gives me negative 1. Okay? So this is not 3 plus 2 give you 5, and you put the minus sign there, minus 5 or plus 5. No, that is negative 3 plus 2, which will give you negative 1. So you can go ahead and pause it and try number 2. The box is my answer. You can pause it. Now, for number 2, you have 5x plus 6 minus 2x plus 3. What's the first step? Keep the first expression, okay? 5x plus 6. The second step, change the minus sign to a plus sign. And then lastly, we have to do what? Opposite. Don't just say the opposite. Tell me the opposite of everything in the second expression. So if 2x is positive, we want to make it negative. And then that's plus 3. So we want to do minus 3. Now, before you go on to stacking it, just check behind yourself. Did I keep it? Yes. Did I do change it? Yes. Did I do the opposite of 2x? Yes. Did I do the opposite of positive 3? Yes. Everything, not just the first term. Every term you need to check to make sure you've done the opposite. Then we're going to stack it. Well, for this one, I'll circle. I'll drop parentheses. So I have 5x plus 6 minus 2x minus 3. Okay? Like term. Oh, squiggly line. My bad. Squiggly line. Alright, then I have 5x. I want to move the negative 2x. Then I want to move plus 6. And then I have here minus 3. Alright, now whichever way you're doing it, you still should get the same final answer. So now we have 5x minus 2x, which is 3x. 6 minus 3, which is 3. So we get 3x plus 3. Like I said, whichever way you solve it, you're still going to get the same answer. So for number 1, we stacked it. For 2, I just dropped parentheses and combined like terms. Now for number 3, it's going to pretty much be the same thing. Have a little more. We don't have any addition signs, but that's okay. So we're going through number 3. We still want to do the same steps. What is the first step? You want to keep the first expression. That's the first step. And if you notice, I'm rewriting these right under it. I'm not rewriting and trying to stack it at the same time. I'm not doing that. I'm not rewriting it without the parentheses. I'm rewriting it just as if they gave it to me in the same format. So after we keep it, that's K, and then we got to change the minus sign to a plus sign. And then we have to do the opposite of everything. So 2x here is negative. So we want to do the opposite. We want to make it positive. And then you have minus 6. So we need to do the opposite of that and do plus 6. Now, since I did drop the parentheses for the last one, for this one I want to do stacking. So I'm going to stack negative 3x minus 7 plus, don't forget your plus sign on the side, 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. Alright, negative 3x plus 2 is negative 1x, or you can just put negative x. Then negative 7 plus 6, negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Which will give me my final answer. Alright, so I want you to try number 4. If you get number 4 correct, you are ready to move on. So pause it and try number 4. Alright, so for number 4, we have 7x minus 4 minus 5x plus 2. Alright, so first step is to do what? I can't hear you. Alright, so keep the first expression. Boom. Then we have to change the what to what? Minus sign to a plus sign. Then we have to do the opposite of everything in the expression, the last expression. So 5x is positive. I need negative 5x. They're adding 2. I want to subtract 2. Boom. Let's check behind ourselves. Did we keep this? Yep. Did we change the minus sign to a plus sign? Yep. 5x is positive, so I needed negative. Yep. It's plus 2, so I need minus 2. Now we are ready to do what it do. So since it's number 4 and this is the last one, I'm going to solve it both ways for you. So if I stack it, 7x minus 4. Well, no. I'm going to stack it afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and do this. So drop parentheses. Drop the parentheses. Alright, like term, another type of like term. So we got a straight line, squiggly line. Now we need to move the like terms by each other. So there's 7x minus 5x minus 4 minus 2. Combine like terms. 7x minus 5x is 2x. Negative 4 minus 6 is negative 6. So we get 2x minus 6 as our answer when we do it that way. So let's say I wanted to stack them. Stack them real quick. Got 7x minus 4 plus negative 5x minus 2. 7x minus 5x is 2x. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6. And of course, we got the same answer for both. So we keep, change, flip, KCL. Keep the first expression, change the minus sign to a plus sign, and do opposite of everything in the second expression. Peace.